1 Minute English.
In this 1-minute lesson, we are going to have a look at some different meanings for cut off. Cut off means to remove something by cutting it. For example, after you buy new clothes, you need to cut off the tag. Cut off also means to stop supplying something. For example, the man was too drunk, so the bar cut off his drinks. The electricity was cut off because they didn't pay their bills. Cut off can also mean to be disconnected from a call. For example, I was talking on the phone, but I was then cut off. Give it a go. Try making a sentence using cut off and leave it in the comments below.